Hey all, today we're playing Mob Factory, and in this video we're going to talk about potions. So potions are super important because this little wizard guy over here only accepts them, and he's really the only way you can upgrade the buildings you have. And so he can do upgrades like make your conveyors faster, make your assemblers get items faster, make them produce faster, make your potions cost less, and stuff like that. And every time you do an upgrade, you need more and more potions of different kinds. And so as you progress in the game, this is going to be one of the main ways that you can make your factory more efficient. Now, the way that we get potions is through these cauldrons, but understanding this is not really intuitive because it doesn't really explain this to you. But basically, this is just a trash can, and based on whatever's in the trash can is what gets brewed. And so if you want a white potion, it needs to be all of these baseline kind of common items. So scales, webs, and trash. And as it says here, the potion made will be the color of the highest tier. And so we can see that this one always ends up being red, even though a lot of its resources are webs. And this is because these shields are coming in here. And so in some ways, it's actually corrupting the potion, turning it into a red one. And so as you get further in the game, this actually might mean that white potions are harder for you to create than some of these more rare potions up here. And so the way that I found to scale this as I get more resources is really to place cauldrons at different points in my production line. So we can see here based on the items that roll by, this one is almost always going to turn into a red potion just due to the amount of and consistency of the resources that are coming into it. Now the good thing is once it's produced, it will just place its potion back on this belt, or actually this one ends up back in the base automatically getting stored, but other ones will end up placing their stuff back on the belt. And so here we can see that this is a white potion factory that I've intentionally kept separate from the rest of my conveyor belts in order for it to only get these very common resources so that it always produces the lowest quality potion possible. And so you can scale this up as you want. Here I kind of have a place where all of my items end up. And so this is where I'm usually producing the highest quality potions because whatever the highest quality item is will always end up here, thus corrupting it to the highest. And then for the lower ones, I'll just have them around in the position where the most, or I guess the least quality items are, so that it's always producing that color of potion. So that's how I've been doing it, and I've gotten, I think, over a dozen upgrades already, and plan to continue doing that as I unlock more items, so hopefully this unblocks you from getting your first potions and your first upgrades as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.